So this app is so great. Look, see, so first thing is I'm going to take this
Mhm.
and make sure we don't have any copies. So here it says remove duplicate words.
Okay.
Okay. Boom. One word was removed. Now, let's say I want to add them in commas, for like SEO.
Yeah.
I mean, for like websites. Right here it says add or remove line breaks. So, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, the first thing I'd want to do is, let's say I'm working on a I want to put commas. So at the suffix, which is the end, I hit this, and it creates this list right here, right? Let me make sure I save this list here. This is, I went through and I removed all like the keywords that
Okay.
okay. But let's say like, okay, I got commas here, right? Now I want to add these to metadata on a website.
Mhm.
So I come here and I remove line breaks. Add this. Remove all line breaks. Wait, is this the one? Let me see. Yeah, see how it added them all
Ah.
at the comma form. So here I'm gonna put keywords in comma form. Is this?
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So you can do different things here. Um, you remove empty lines,
Mhm.
punctuation, some other stuff you can do here. Okay, just FYI. I'll send you this video.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.